Listen me laugh. That word, shower, you know, just you know, pure for ear. You know, pure. I don't hear prostitutes. But it sounds more like packaging. You know when you hear prostitute, like when they give complimentary card. I'm a prostitute, take my complimentary card. But that's our own. You know, it sounds dirty. You're just going to walk out for the street. Brother, come. 15 naira. You know, you're too pure. Like, you're pure. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the late night show. Yeah. You know, these are how they form Jimmy things, you know. Whitney always worry all these Agbero boys there. So just work out for street. For this election we pass, get one where they just stroke for street. Yeah. Who they follow fight?
Is it hyper?
I just for not walk but two, came from 1 2 2. You are who they quarrel. Say spiritual enemies that day. But ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Balo. Thank you. Yeah, I love you too. I love you too. Yeah. And DJ Easy Beat, of course. And you know, take your bow. You know, yeah. Today, now very plenty people. There's a full house today, and we're not going to mention names now. Back to back, po. All right, and we'll do our best to make sure everybody did very, very okay today. How now they go? How everybody take do things? And don't worry, we'll make sure you sleep well this night. And if your wife vex you, this is not the show. We're going to bring them together again. If your husband they worry you, madam, go give him. No, just go give him because men own go get to brain.
May give him anything.
Anything, if not food. Just give her something. You understand? You can give her church before you teach church. All right, so we get very full house today. We'll make sure everything go very, very slow fake. All right, so the show will start like now. All right, so jam up for Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us gist and every. Okay, so Easy Beat, carry us commot. We is coming back. Don't go anywhere. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we can enter the segment we'll call the Coco for the day. Easy bleached and easy bleach and everything. What happen?
Mojo start like that.
Mojo start like that. The Coco of the day. If I am the Coco, I say we can tell I'm the Coco. Oh yeah, sing the song. You sing up.
I want to sing the song.
No, sing up now. It's not great player now. You know, see that so they always do that to that year. Is it okay? Let me sing now.
Yeah. Everybody go wait.
They only get one word they always bear for the group. Oh yeah. They say, wait. Off key now. What they worry you?
I remember one time when I go sing for church those days. I just get some friends for audience. I had to sing. As I sing, this thing would be make sense of. So after a while, I don't know what to do me. I just go off. I just go off. God don't make it vanish.
That always happen now. My ears for quiet, they be like that. That day,
shit.
You sing, hey, they'll look like this. I know sometimes you can't come on mic for mouth, can't they give quiet, sing along. You will die. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, now the Coco, and of course, our first gist for the day. All right, our first and only gist for the day because the other one not sweet, not too sweet like that. Okay, you get this particular chick, what's her name again? Natasha Brown. Natasha Brown. It sounds like the name of one spiritualist like that. Why we know that, yeah. For
Natasha
US.
Brown.
Something Brown. Rebecca Brown.
Okay.
Rebecca Brown, very, very spiritual woman like this. Natasha Brown now. 27-year-old chick. She get many, many boyfriends. And she make over 2 million naira a month.
2 million naira.
Over 2 million naira
on top
a month. On top, say she dey collect money from her boyfriends. Then claiming say she don't do abortion. Now na real hey but me I put A here join the thing. Now na her face be that. So just in case, maybe LAX, Tusek, Daily, all of una, Easy Beat. our director for back. Mona y'all check if you see the face and you recognize them, all of them don't join who they back. So just in case she always collect money. Over 2 million a month. When you see some chicks, they turn up.
They turn up.
They turn up.
They drive some bad
You don't know what they happen, no.
Abortion continues.
Abortion continues. Because, man, she got the scope and say, man, seriously, I'm with your baby. Yeah? And you say, man, that's how many of the ones here, this thing.
Yeah.
And she, one figure say, no, we have to keep it. No. My religion...
Guy will pay.
My religion does not accept it. Why you do it? You don't say religion doesn't accept her. They say, my religion does not. I say, please, I don't do such. But if you go abort. But a very, very sad gist, but they don't grab the woman last. They don't catch her. Say, they wonder how all the boyfriends are going to take the fear now. Everybody go to assemble now for politician. She told me. She come on.
Fear no will let some guys come out.
No, some guys will form big boy. They all lock up. They all lock up. Say, man,
and they expose themselves.
But depending on the one they collect the money pass. So imagine say she can't meet you when you want to pay house rent. I mean, 500K when you want to pay for house rent. Just come and say, man, easy beat. DJ, easy beat. It's 200,000.
Eh?
You can't cough out 200K. I mean, she can't come give another 50K for maintenance or some other things. You can't come give her 250 off your 500. So you only owe 250. She can't. They can't catch them now. Say now, baby, the babble of now. That you know go turn up.
Funny enough, I know go turn up.
Okay, maybe now you know go turn up. Some other guys just show up. Like you go come
by the end of the
out.
day, they're gonna ask you, say, guy, come on. Say, who they get you to? You gotta ask many questions.
People, I know. Boys will line up for hospital now, for police station. Some will say, me, I gave her 2.5 million. And I'm going to claim, say, you know, you would claim, say, my 250K. She's down my place. Say, when they talk 2.5, they talk 250K. But a very stupid thing, no big thing we make brain at all. I beg our ladies, then when they're outside there, please keep yourself in the way of the God, in a godly manner. All right, because like this now, this particular gist now, they real many name of many chicks, and they real, especially we will be the men them. You know, you know, to walk too well for our head like that. So when our innocent chick come meet us now, come say, baby, please, just small money for one thing. You gotta listen. How many boys you don't ask? It's if you spoil many things. You understand? So I beg, we'll just do our best possible to make sure, say, we're on the right track. All right? If you do relationship, not going to turn relationship to investment center. All right? Okay, so, Coco number 2.
Let me say Coco number 1, not good.
We don't get that. We just want to hear that one. I just want to hear that. But you know, any which way, no shaking. All right, so.
In love with the Coco.
You know, come put that part. Why you mess up like this now? Do them again. Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Hey! Oh! Turn up! See, boys, you don't get liver. They shout, man, no!
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Yeah! Baby. Rubbish song. When they come back, all right? And after this one now, they bring our first guest into the building. All right, 2 sec. Good day with us on top of the show right now. So we don't go anywhere. The late night show continue. They come back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. All right. Now, like I talked earlier when we start the whole show, please make sure you know go Twitter, go follow us, do some kind of gisting things and every, all right? At W Late Night Show, reach there, give us gist, all right? We are hoping to see your gist and your criticism and every, all right? So, like I talked before, it gives me great pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, because these guys, they make me feel like I'm small. You know, if I stand near them, and they feel like, say, I'm not try for height, I'm not try for your broad shoulder things. You get, as they sit down for couch now, never show them yet to, as I said, they just fool the whole couch. This same couch, don't get like 4 people sit down before, when they end up they collect their own space. But right now, this particular 2 guys, they all spread everywhere because they all fine, because they sing correct songs and every so. But at the same time, more importantly, they be twins. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 sec in the building. 2 Sec.
2 Sec in the building, better recognize. That money from my pocket, no, they minimize.
Oh my God.
We certified.
Hey.
Face of a butter, but me streetwise, think twice.
Hey.
Boys for first stack, take lives. Keep it real now.
I don't feel nothing, you know, face of a butter, you know, doing.
But we streetwise, though.
Yeah. Now, talk about of twins. Who be Onyisi? Who be Agiriga?
I be Onyisi.
Onyisi. Agiriga.
The name as Onyisi.
Onyisi. Now headword.
Headword. Na headmaster.
Okay, but the thing be say, okay, like say one of na chain they disturb microphone. Okay, like say na Agiriga. Na Agiriga. Oh, now they worry.
And you go pull am. Make you pull am.
Like say you go pull out because you go make big for our things for that part backside the hair. All right, so. Onyisi, Agiriga. Me, I be Agiriga. Most people don't know. I don't see they call that part of my name. You understand? But Agiriga talk through. Say, Onyisi the worry, Abi.
Onyisi the worry. He worry in so many ways.
In so many ways.
So many ways.
We shall get to that particular place. Because my own twin a girl, so not today. She just on the form say, as I say, Onyisi on the girl P. On the form. I came out before you. See that one place, they do any. I know she watch now. Joyce, what's up?
Joyce, what's up?
What's up? What's up? You say, the whole crew, they say what's up to you. You understand? But now, 2 sec, quickly. And also now get perspective project on ground, and very soon we're going to see the dropping of how. Any moment from now, we're supposed to hear on news. Okay. But first, before we continue, happy belated birthday.
Well, thank you, my man.
So now the olds now.
We don't see beers on the joint.
Now, before you know first join before that. But you don't they blend now.
Oh, join.
Oh, join. Now music for now. Say. We not have a reason before, maybe during our music career, people just look and say, oh, my mom come, we not form P Square.
So
how do you think they make you feel?
They make me feel one kind, but I'm not to blame them now. Because P Square, I respect them. They come the industry before me now, so I even look up to them. So when they call me P Square, I still happy. They call me another person now. So, but we try our own best to. That's why we take our time to release our own music, because we don't make we sound like them or look like them. So we try to do our own thing, because our music they different from P Square. So.
Okay, because actually on our music, you get the one way I know say I've been in love that year. Song. I love that song because which side of Delta I come from again? Onichugo. Not too far from Ogwashuku. Where me actually.
Have you tried go your side?
No, that's you're wrong. Go that side. Go buy Piotr, come back. Go to that side. But I just some people they watch and they say Ogbolo. Choose one place where you come from. Because tomorrow na Akwa Ibom, another day na Delta, we are Nigerians. For crying out loud, I did we're Nigerians. All right. So, but what you know they work on presently?
A lot, man. First of all, we just get new management, so everything just did different. So we just did locked up for studio, just to get our sound, just to try impress people. You understand? Just to do something we necessarily like. So just to take our time. Why your BJ? My papa name. Why you understand? EJ, but why? That's life. You have to take life easy.
Okay.
So, right, just go talk and say no rush to greatness. So we take our time. They do record songs. Hopefully for 2 weeks. We go drop the single and our video go drop too.
Okay, and the video will go follow for back too. But aside from Gwalime, Abi? Gwalime. Aside from that, which other song follow for back?
That previous
exactly.
Previous will drop now. Yes, we can.
We drop for Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay. All right, they say we're going to go for one sharp break right now. Okay, so we'll go do quick. Go for this break. By the time we come back, then we'll go enter inside the whole level. All right, so we're not going to go anywhere. We'll come back. Hey. Okay. All right. We still get 2 seconds in the building. All right. So let's continue with all our gist and every. 2 seconds. Now, what would be the best part about being twins when they sing?
First of all, the love. I mean, first of all, yeah, you're twins, but you just get one eye where people just look. So you guys are twins. You guys are cute. Yeah.
They never even hear my song. Then they say, oh, they don't blush.
Yeah. So it makes it easy. It makes it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie.
Because you get all kind of blessing when they follow the whole thing. Some places they always go talk. Before they talk 2, 3, I'll be twins.
Yeah, that's in the hair.
Now. So I think you open some kind of door like this.
I don't want change that for me because I'm between so my twin brother. My twin brother is saying hello. You just free me. Yes.
But say yeah, so you think they always, get positive. Now the most annoying part of being twins.
Are you twins?
Are you guys twins? If like somebody just get one shirt, so I say yes, we're twins. Don't ask me.
Because the people they look, they ask me just after I want to enter. Are those guys twins? I say no, they're photocopy.
No, my only ghost.
Well, seriously, aside from that other one, say una they get babe wala.
No, they get. We don't even like to share babes. So now that's what we need to share.
Okay, we don't like to share babe. We don't try them before.
No, never try them.
We don't lie you.
No,
funny things that happen.
Cynthia and Jessica feel they watch.
I say funny things that happen where like maybe in baby they just see me, you just run, come. Oh, you see, she'll come and come. I can't tell you. Say
maybe we not go drink one day.
See how you see right there.
Not go drink one day. You come, you see jam Onyisi for bed. Go put duvet. My sweetheart, what are you doing, Onyisi? While I don't stand.
You're not bad like that.
We're not gonna forget that between so. Now blood on our eye like this. Coco go the rise. But you know go happen. Go happen. But I mean get the gist of all that. It happened with one set of twins some time back where they don't marry, all of them don't marry. But one twin feel they cook like this. That's the lady twin. She feel they cook. The husband of the other twin, you all come down and back on home. Oh, sweetheart.
My friends will do that too.
The brother change out.
I know guys with twins where they do bad things. This one will deal together. They go exchange boxers. They don't go call.
Serious.
You go contact on the last conversation. Just tell her that you know what we're talking about Game Boy. You just give her the last conversation.
Hey!
You can't give her
the boxers. See what this money they cost for
you can't give her the boxers. Go. She's inside. Just yes.
Continue for where I stop. Now you go. And the guy just comes and say, "Where have you been?"
Yeah, stronger the second round. What happened?
Not true. You all see one person, get all this to say that 5 hours. We don't need to do things. 5 hours. Oh boy.
Waste is moving.
But aside all of this one now,
nice.
When I also talk about some other things that say very soon. Soon they do videos, go soon they pop out and all that in 2 weeks. Definitely we'll always bring on a comeback to come follow us just the whole thing. But on a future P now, you get say okay now on the dance. Like dance,
but
not be the but it's on the move and all that. When I decide to just get this look, because I can't confuse people more.
I will confuse people.
As in, no, with the whole
something for hair.
Maybe one will just do kodo. Won't agree for trouble now. Who go just go?
Just babbing beers or something.
Or one will just, or one feel less.
Oh yeah.
No, difference there from the music in the rap I they sing, so at least people could know from that one.
But if not show up, Uncle, now they showing up me at the talk now because
you show past me now. I be like bouncer somehow.
Okay, now you big passer.
Yeah.
For the looking, not blessing. Like for my eye, now the same thing, now be the same thing.
Yeah.
But my lenko, I know say when our parents they very in support of music for now and everything. Yeah. But for like. Momsy now, I know say now she largely they push the whole thing for now and all that. How it be to get parents with the support music for now?
Well, on a blessing, because I hear so many stories of artists say, "Oh, and again, look, say my parents they find them very difficult to support me, but my own just they don't really understand the whole thing. So where you going to? You're going for show, okay? Make sure you guys take care. You understand? They already understand. They don't really they used to them. So. Like so
at least Momsy feel like be one of my biggest fans.
She get all my I've been singing everything.
Serious? Yeah. All the try, they bust everything.
She know all the songs they play for TV. Says.
But she don't even get there any show like this where we just day.
She don't day. She don't come for A1. Yeah, she don't come for A1. She want A1 show.
Okay. I'm not performing. I do not say.
It was mad.
Correct.
They show us love, man. Shout out to her, my popsy too.
Omoski. I see you.
Omoski.
When I call that guy name me that.
Omoski. Omoski with the halo. My mom said they call her a young woman. She said, "You look young to you." I said, "No, me, you old. Not old for me." You understand? Yeah. But 2 sec, we hope to hear from her very, very soon. Yeah, very soon again, we'll bring her come back to the show. We'll talk new things and every. All right?
I believe you.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still 2 sec, and we don't finish every with them and all things and everything and every. All right, so we'll come back, and of course, earlier, if you follow me inside the studio, I will continue the whole show. Don't go anywhere. The late night show still continue. All right.